Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're also enjoying your summer days. I'm currently visiting my family in Würzburg, and since I really enjoyed spending my summers here when I was a little kid, I thought I'm gonna show you around this beautiful city, so let's go. Right now I'm standing in the Residenzgarten, which is a beautiful park and the old Baroque castle. You can even go inside and check out the Golden Room and the White Room, so if you come to Würzburg, check it out for yourself. This is the beautiful city center of Würzburg. You can find a lot of different shops here and amazing food. I'm here at one of the hotspots of Würzburg now. It's the Alte Mainbrücke. A lot of people come here to enjoy some wine or some ice cream. Actually, I'm not really a big fan of wine, but since the wine comes from local vineyards, it's actually pretty good, so you should try it. So I hope you enjoyed this little tour around Würzburg. I think the city is way too underrated. I think it's so beautiful with all the historical buildings. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and I see you next week. Bye!